Hi guys, welcome to the Tattooed Sewer. Today I am making a blouse again, but this time we are going with Gertie Sews Vintage Casual, and I am going to attempt the 1940s blouse. So it should end up looking something like this. But I have got the most awesome fabric because it's cherries. So it's a fresh make from fresh fabric. So I've cut my pattern out. I'm going to have a read of the instructions and then I'm going to get started. See you in a moment. Okay, I got my darts in, so now it is time for the pocket. There's one on the pattern, but I'm doing two because I'm greedy and that's just how I roll. You will find on your pattern piece, it will give you a location for where you want to put your pocket. So I'm going to line that up now. I'm going to iron it first, get it lined up and get it sewn on. Righty ho then, all the darts are in, the pockets are on, so now I need to sew my shoulder seams and my side seams, and then we will have something that's beginning to look like a blouse, hopefully. So I'm going to get on, I'm going to pin this and then I'll sew it together and we can see how that looks. Right guys, I am just about to have a coffee because I need one and I'm about to start the sleeve, so like to me I'm on the next stage of the blouse. I'm just going to show you what a flipping mess I get into because sewing is so messy, or is it just me? I don't know, but yeah, let's take a look at this mess. Now, I'm pretty sure it's not just me because when I worked in bridal, massive mess. You're so busy, you're so stressed, bits go everywhere. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. But for now, I'm going to enjoy my coffee. Lovely. Okay, so as you can see behind me, I've got the sleeves in. Oh my god, those sleeves were a nightmare. It didn't help that I put one in the wrong way round. Like, I've never done that before. I don't know why I've done it today, but I put it in the wrong way round. So I had to unpick it, put it in the right way round. Easing the ease in isn't easy. So Gertie, I've had enough of your pattern today and I'm going to do the rest tomorrow because boy, am I getting frustrated. Right, it's a new fresh day, so today we're going to finish this and I need to put on the front facing, the collar and the cuffs. So let's get started. I'm just about to start sewing on the front facing and then it's just the collar to go. Happy days. Okay, so we are essentially done. Collar on, cuffs, front interfacing. So what I'm going to do now, because obviously I still need to put the buttonholes on and hem the bottom. But what I'm going to do now is give it all a good press, and then I'm going to try it on to see if I like it and see if I want to make any tweaks to it before I do the absolute finishing touches, so I don't have to undo those. Okay, so this is how the top looks at the moment. So just spin round. And here's my thoughts about what I would like to change. So I'm not so keen on the way these side bits just bag out, so I think I'm going to adjust those so that they come in and bring my waistline in, and I'm going to do the same on the back because it's a bit bulky there. But other than that, and obviously I need to put the buttons and do the hem, I'm pretty pleased with it. Even though some of the methods were new to me, I haven't put the collar on the way that she recommended before, and I've never done one which flares out like that straight from the pattern rather than putting a peplum on. It's now finished, yay! So I've put my buttons on, I've sewn up these parts here and likewise on the back, so you've got the nice side split here as well. So overall I'm pretty pleased. Thanks for watching me make this beautiful blouse. I hope to see you again soon. I hope you like it and you can subscribe. Take care. See you soon. Bye.